Hello.
Hello.
Can you introduce yourself, please?
Yes.
Go.
My name is Donald.
What else?
How old are you?
Thank you.
I'm in class Monkey One.
Okay. My name is Donald.
My name is Donald.
Good.
I'm 6 years old. I'm happy.
Good. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Good. In class?
I'm class Monkey One.
Good. What letter is it?
Nature. J.
G.
G.
Sound?
G. G. G.
Good. What's this?
Eat a guitar. Eat a horn.
Yes.
Nature.
H.
H.
Sound?
H.
Good. What's this?
Eat a horn. Eat
Horse.
horn.
Horse.
Horse.
What's this?
Eat a
It's hair.
eat hair.
Good. What letter is it?
Nature. And
I.
I.
Letter I.
Nature I. I.
Sound?
E.
What do you see?
Eat a iguana.
Okay, what's this?
Eat a.
It's pink.
Eat a.
Good. What letter is it?
Nature. Lay.
Sound?
Yeah. Eat a jigsaw.
Yes.
Eat a.
Jewel.
Chua.
Jewel.
Rua.
Good. What letter is it?
Letter K. Sao.
What can you do?
Eat a cake. I can cannibal.
Good. And who's he?
I
Who's he? He's
he
a
can
he's a king.
eat a king.
Wait, what letter is it?
Nature.
L.
L.
Sound?
L.
What's this?
Eat a letter. Eat a leaf. Eat a lecture.
Good. Now tell me, what's this?
Eat a zoo.
Good. Now can you tell us what do you see?
I see a monkey. It can climb the tree. Eat a
Gorilla.
gorilla. It can climb the tree. Eat a elephant. It can throw big ear.
It has.
It can throw.
It has.
It can throw big ear. Eat a tiger. Eat calorie.
Good.
Eat a camel. Eat
It has.
it had to.
It has.
It had to hum. Eat a giraffe. It can eat.
It has.
It had
Has.
had eat a banana. Eat a ostrich. It can run so fast. Eat a zebra. Eat name. Eat a hippo. Kamaduru. Eat.
Kangaroo.
Eat a
Kangaroo.
Eat a Kamaduru.
Kangaroo.